What's up guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna speak about 10 ways how to make money as a developer, because let's agree, nobody wants to be in the shoes of Russ from Silicon Valley.
Car whose doors open like this. Not like this, not like this.
So guys, if you want your car doors to open like this, all you have to do is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. But on the serious note, I have been inspired to make this video by my friend Florin, who has released his new book, which is called 10 Ways to Make Money as a Developer. Florin is a very talented software engineer, and throughout his journey, he has tried most of the ways he's covering in his book, so he knows what he's speaking about. In this video, I will share with you 2 of the ways that helped me make money as a developer, and I will share with you what was my experience with both. So guys, let's get to the point. The first way you can make money as a developer is working as a professional developer. Working for a company as an employee is probably the most common way to make an income as a developer. This is a great way to kickstart your development career, because working within a team on large-scale software projects is an effective way to improve your technical and non-technical skills. There are a lot of pros when it comes to working for a well-established company, such as having a stable income month over month, working alongside other experienced developers that can help you whenever you get stuck, and also working on larger code base. Not to mention all the good stuff about paid vacation, pension, and paid health insurance. The average salary of an entry-level developer in US is between 60 and 100k per year, which is more than 2 times the average salary in US. My first job was a web development position at a local company, and that was when I was only 16 years old and I barely knew anything about coding at that time. And throughout my career, I have been working both on small companies and on big FAANG corporations such as Amazon. And even though I came to a conclusion that corporate world is probably not for me, at least at this point in time, I highly recommend to you to start in this path and to give it a try, because there is a high chance that you would like the stability, the perks, and the income that these well-established companies are offering. Florin goes into more details about this in his book, and he has great advice about how to get prepared for a job, how to speed up the learning process in order to be employable as fast as possible, also how to prepare your portfolio, your resume, how to find jobs, and how to actually apply and prepare for the technical interview. If corporate world is not for you and you're looking for more freedom and also to be your own boss, then you might look into freelancing. I want to start this part with a disclaimer that this is not easy, and don't believe all the gurus online drinking for a coconut on a beach that are saying that this is easy and you can become a millionaire like in 3 months. When you start freelancing, you'll have to handle everything yourself, and besides coding, you'll have to find clients, do the marketing, define some strategies on how you will do the projects, handle the client relationships, do all the bookkeeping and taxes, and of course, if you'll have some time left, you can also get some sleep. With that being said, I would like to say that freelancing is a great way to make money as a developer, and you can make potentially a lot more than you would do at a normal corporate job. And at the same time, you will have some freedom in a couple of years once you set everything up. While freelancing, you will provide your services directly to the client, and this allows you to decide who you're working with, when you're working, how many hours per day, and also how much you will charge for your services. And the fact that you will decide on how much you will charge for your services is a very important point in freelancing, because you would never go into your manager's office and ask for 100% raise. But on the other side, it's perfectly fine to do that in freelancing. When I started freelancing, I was charging only $5 an hour, and with every new project I was increasing the rate and sometimes even doubling it. And after 1 year, I was already charging $40 an hour. So this is around 800% increase in 1 year. Another thing that I really love about freelancing is the freedom of choosing where to live. You are not tied to one specific location or even one specific country as you are with companies, because right now a lot of companies are going remote, but you are still required to work in the same country as the company, because otherwise we have like difficult taxes and so on. But when you're freelancing, you can live on an island and work for clients in the US, and that's like a huge benefit. And the most important thing that I love about freelancing is the scalability of this business, because whenever you have too many clients and you cannot handle them yourself, then you can start expanding your team and growing into a development studio. And at that time, sky is the limit, and with a couple of developers in your team, you can easily achieve 7 figures income in a couple of years. I can talk a lot about freelancing, but I think that Florin did a great job in his book explaining how to start as a freelancer, how to find clients and define niches, how to build your portfolio, and the different models that you can price your services. Florin collaborated for this chapter with the father of freelancing, Kyle, so no wonder there is so much actionable stuff in there. So guys, these were only 2 ways to make money as a developer, and if you want to know more about making money as a developer and eventually not having to drive a car like this, then you really need to pick up the book by Florin, because it is really packed with actionable items on how to get started, where to find more resources, how to find clients, and eventually be successful in any of the 10 ways to make money as a developer. And even though I had experience with a couple of them, I still learned a lot from this book, and the most important thing is that it motivated me to start and experiment with other ways to make money as a developer, especially building a software as a service product. So guys, go get a copy of your book at notjust.dev/make money. That's it for today, guys. Let me know down below which path to make money as a developer you like the most and you would like to milk in the future. If you enjoy this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because 2021 will be packed with great content. And as always guys, take care, stay hydrated, and make money, damn it.
These are not the doors of a billionaire, Richard.